As your calendar marks the end of the year, and you have it in your hands, I'm telling you, we are at the end of time. And those who know me, they know it because I have written it in their hearts to know. As it is written, this day ought not catch you unaware because you are children of light. In other words, you are my children. And I'm going to warn you. I'm going to tell you of the things to come. I already have. I wrote the book. Sadly, so many have not, will not read it. They're lazy. They're comfortable being told by others what's in my book. But when you stand before me, I will judge you based on what's in the Word of God. I will judge you by my word, not by your church, not by your denomination, nor by what you believe. I will judge you by what is written. Yes, it is time to wake up, beloved. The day is at hand. The beast is coming up and coming out. You have not much time. I've told you before, and I tell you again, get right, or you will be left behind, saith the Lord of hosts.